Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a table in Outlook with different column. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, going to the insert menu option and click for the table option. Then table columns any row and columns. Then for OK. Firstly, select your first column, text your mark and go to the cell shading option. Click for the then any choose color. Then for click. Then again same columns. Going to the cell shading option and click for the any choose color. Select for the three columns and selling cell shading option and click for the any choose color option. I hope enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.